Think about how much time we spend cleaning, especially with vacuuming. No matter how many times you go over the same spot, the dust and dirt just keep coming back. And for those of us with pets or kids, the challenge is on another level. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025, designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Let's dive in and find your new favorite cleaning companion. Number 5, we have the Bissell CleanView XR Cordless Vacuum. The Bissell Cordless Vacuum, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This lightweight vacuum features a removable 24-volt lithium-ion battery, providing up to 35 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean without the hassle of cords. Its 3-in-1 design effortlessly transitions from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. The tangle-free brush roll ensures hair doesn't get tangled, reducing maintenance time. Equipped with LED headlights, it illuminates hidden dirt and debris, ensuring a thorough clean. The Smart Seal allergen system traps dust and allergens, promoting a healthier living environment. Its low-profile design makes it easy to clean under furniture, reaching places other vacuums can't. Elevate your cleaning routine with the Bissell CleanView XR Cordless Vacuum. At number 4, we have the Trucozie Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Trucozie, designed for efficient and versatile home cleaning. Weighing just under 3.3 pounds, this lightweight device offers effortless maneuverability. Its 8-in-1 functionality allows seamless transitions between various cleaning tasks, from floors to ceilings. Equipped with a rechargeable battery pack, it delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The advanced 5-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 microns, promoting a healthier living environment. An easy-to-read LED display keeps you informed of the vacuum status, while the V-shaped detangle floor brush effectively lifts hair and debris from carpets and hard floors. Additionally, the floor brush features 6 LED lights, illuminating hidden dust under furniture. Elevate your cleaning experience with the Trucozie, combining power, convenience, and innovation. At number 3, we have the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V8 Cordless Stick Vacuum, engineered for powerful and versatile cleaning. Its detangling motorbar cleaner head deep cleans carpets and hard floors, automatically removing long hair and pet hair from the brush bar. The hair screw tool, featuring a conical brush bar, is perfect for cleaning upholstery and pet beds. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, it ensures thorough cleaning sessions. The vacuum easily converts to a handheld device for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. Advanced whole machine filtration captures pet dander and fine dust, expelling cleaner air. Its lightweight and ergonomic design allows for easy maneuverability, reaching high and low areas with ease. The hygienic ejection mechanism enables no-touch bin emptying, maintaining cleanliness. Neatly store and charge the vacuum with the wall-mounted dock, keeping it ready for use. At number 2, we have the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum. The LEVOIT delivers powerful, adaptable performance to simplify and enhance your home cleaning routine. Its tangle-resistant brush roll ensures uninterrupted performance, effectively handling pet hair and debris. The rechargeable battery offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, this lightweight vacuum is easy to maneuver across various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. The high-efficiency filtration system captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, promoting a healthier living environment. Additionally, the vacuum easily converts into a handheld device, perfect for cleaning furniture, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Elevate your cleaning routine with the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, combining power, convenience, and innovation. First place, we have the Shark iX141 Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum is ideal for pet owners, providing efficient and hassle-free cleaning power. This lightweight vacuum offers powerful suction, effectively removing pet hair and debris from both carpets and hard floors. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, it ensures thorough cleaning sessions without interruption. The removable handheld vacuum allows for versatile above-floor cleaning, reaching tight spaces and upholstery with ease. Equipped with LED headlights, it illuminates hidden dust and debris, ensuring no spot is missed. The extra-large dust cup features clean touch technology for hands-free debris disposal, enhancing user convenience. Its low-profile design enables effortless cleaning under furniture, while the self-standing feature offers easy storage. Elevate your home cleaning experience with the Shark, combining power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the best cordless vacuums of 2025. From tackling pet hair and stubborn dirt to making everyday cleanups fast and effortless, these vacuums truly elevate your home cleaning experience. Whether you're looking for versatility, power, or lightweight convenience, there's a perfect option for you on this list. Let me know in the comments which cordless vacuum is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.